Sunny, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to remove blackheads fast and shrink pores. This is my top secret facial mask. It's quick, effective, and 100% natural. In this video, I will share with you the benefits of using this face mask using the bentonite clay, the tutorial of how I use this face mask, and my personal experiences of using this. By the end of the video, you will know my top secret for amazing skin, so please keep watching until the end. This is a deep pore cleansing facial mask. It's great for oily and acne-prone skin. It sucks out blackheads, impurities, and shrink pores. Bentonite clay has so many health benefits. It naturally improves skin health, detoxifies the body, and improves digestion. It heals many skin conditions. It prevents acne blemishes, alleviates redness due to inflammation, helps in detoxification processes. It protects against bacteria infections. It supports digestive and respiratory processes. It also helps in dental health, supplies nutrients, and potentially help with weight loss. Bentonite clay is a powerful detoxifier that forms an electrical charge which attracts and absorbs toxins, chemicals, impurities, and heavy metals from the skin. It heals and regenerates skin tissues and improves blood circulation, leaving you with a clear and radiant complexion. I'm going to show you how I make this mask. Let's get started. You will need organic apple cider vinegar or water, and bentonite clay plus a plastic or wooden spoon or chopstick, which is optional to mix, and a non-metal bowl. I got this Aztec clay from Amazon online, 1 pound, which was about $13, very cheap, and you can use it for more than 20 times. This is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, known as the bentonite clay. This is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. It's cheap and effective to remove blackheads and shrink pores. No additive calcium clay. You can buy any brand of bentonite clay. I will put the link down below for where I got mine. I bought my organic apple cider vinegar from Costco, which is a great deal with 3 bottles for only about $8. Apple cider vinegar has so many benefits. It restores the proper pH level to the skin, tones and tightens pores, and gently exfoliates with natural alpha hydroxy acids, which are primarily used to exfoliate but can also promote collagen and blood flow, improve appearance of surface lines and wrinkles. It also prevents acne breakouts, improves overall condition of skin by reducing redness and treating age spots. So first, mix 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and mix them together in the bowl, 1-to-1 ratio. I have heard a lot of people say that you can mix the clay with water, which you can, but I don't do that. Don't let the bentonite clay come in contact with anything metal, for example bowls, spoon, etc. Contact with metal will affect its ionization, which can diminish its effectiveness. Some people simply mix it in a small glass bowl with their finger. I use the wooden chopstick, as you can see here. So after you mix it until it's smooth, you will see the fizzle when you mix them together. And after you finish that, you apply to your face. As you apply, avoid the sensitive eye area. For sensitive skin, let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. For normal or oily skin, let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. As the mask dries, it will tighten, causing the skin to feel warm and tingly. You will feel your face is pulsating, which is working to pull out the toxins out of your skin. So after the time is up, rinse off with warm water. Slowly put warm water on your face to wash it off and massage into your face, because if you try to peel it off, it will hurt a lot. After you use, your skin will be a little red, Don't be alarmed, this is normal and will fade within an hour. I feel so clean and detoxified after using this face mask. Just know that you will have some redness on your face afterwards, but it will disappear within an hour. And just follow it with some moisturizer. I hope this face mask helps you remove your blackheads and shrink your pores. Please comment down below and let me know what you think about this video and if this face mask helps you. If you have other better ways of removing blackheads and shrink pores, please comment down below. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. If you like the video, please click the like and subscribe for more helpful videos coming up. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.